everyone, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time visiting, I am Jasmine Michon. My channel is geared more towards older, mature women, 30 and up. If you are younger, you're welcome also. You may learn a lot. But today we're just doing a unboxing of BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a subscription service, kind of like Ipsy, and there's a ton of other ones now. I like BoxyCharm because I really like their products. They're actually high-end products, and you are not getting samples. You're getting full-size products, and again, they're high-end, and they have frequently we get brands like Natasha Denona, Hourglass, Too Faced, Tatcha, Benefit, Tarte, NARS, MAC, Kylie Cosmetics, Glam Glow, Becca, Sunday Riley, Glow Recipe. A lot of times they have really good skincare products as well as makeup. They also have so your BoxyCharm Premium, or sorry, your BoxyCharm, the regular BoxyCharm subscription, they call it the base box, is $25 a month. I think if you pay it like every 3 months or every year, it goes down to like $22 a month. But you get, for example, this month for June, they said that the value was approximately $300, and you know, it's $25 a month. Also, at the beginning of every month, you get a choice item. So basically, they'll give you 1 or 2 to 3 items and ask you which one would you like, because it's a lot of times it's variations of the products you may receive. So your box and somebody else's box may have different items. But there are usually really good items. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the box. I wanted to mention that they also have a subscription called Premium, which is $35 a month, and you're supposed to get, I guess, a couple more items or higher price items. I don't know. I know one month they had a Fenty. The Premium had all Fenty items in it, so a lot of people like that. And then they also have a subscription called Boxy Luxe. Boxy Luxe is every 3 months, instead of paying $25, you'll pay $50, and you'll get, I think it's 7 full-size items instead of 5, and you also get like lifestyle items, I don't know. But so I have Boxy Luxe, and so this is a Boxy Luxe month, and so this is again the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what's in here. Let's see what we have. They usually give you a card of all of the items included in your box and then the value. Now, I know a lot of times you'll see something worth like a suggested retail value, but these products are actually valued at these prices. I know because I bought an eye cream, EMS eye cream from their pop-up shop. I got it for $12, and it said the value was I think about $120. And I thought, yeah, right. So I went to that website, and that eye cream was actually $120. So the pricing was pretty accurate. So it looks like I got a brush set. It says charcoal brush set, bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. So looks like it's a brush set. Ooh, these are soft. Very soft. So there's one. Looks like powder brush. Looks like a couple eye brushes. Got it? Oh, there's some more. Okay, oh, a foundation brush. An angled foundation brush. You've got a powder brush. They are really soft. Wow. And then you've got 3, I just dropped one, but you've got 3 eye brushes. So this is the No Problem Prime Essence. Still don't know what that is, but this is what it looks like. What is this? Okay, so it says that a prime essence infused with calendula officinalis, I don't know, flower extract, tightens up the pores. Okay, so it says it's touch in soul, no problem, prime essence. Prime essence infused with calendula officinalis, flower extract, tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. So what you're supposed to do is, I guess it's the last step of your skincare, apply a moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. So I'm guessing it's like a primer. I don't know, but I know I have their no pore blend primer, which I love. It's really, really, really good. So I'm guessing this is another primer. Okay, so the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence is valued at $23. And the brushes, where are they? That's weird, the brushes are not on here, so I'm not sure. I'll post it if I find the price. So I also got a Bodyography lip pencil, 2-pack. So let's see what color this is. It says the colors, the shades are Pouty and Rosewood. Okay, so it's like a plum color. That's pretty. I like that. I would actually wear that. The color. And a rosewood. It's like a mauve. So these are actually really pretty colors. I know before they gave us some they were eye pencils and they were like blue, and so it was so ugly. But yeah, I actually like these. So far, pretty good. The retail price of those lip pencils is $28. $28 for the 2-piece set. Okay, so the next thing I have is Smile Essence Prescription Strength Teeth Whitening Pens. So there's that. Retail value of this is $80. So $80. Alright. Kylie Cosmetics. So finally have something from Kylie Skincare, because we'll never buy anything from them, but it's free, so okay. This is actually the foaming face wash. I've heard some really good and then really bad things about her skincare, so I don't know, we'll see. I mean, how bad can you go with face wash? So that's what this is. It looks like it comes out in a foam. Says it's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil. It has vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and elasticity. So pretty good ingredients. Retail value of that is $24. So not too bad if you actually wanted to buy it. The next thing I have is Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. Boxy Charm loves sleeping masks for some reason, and I never use them. So yeah, it's a sleeping mask. It says use this instead of cream at the end of your daily skin regimen. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. It says it's enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract. Provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. I guess it's actually a mask. It comes with a spatula, and so we'll see. Personally, I feel like they do too much skincare and not enough makeup. Pure Heals is the sleeping mask is $55. The next thing we have here is the Tarte Pro palette, and I have a couple of Tarte palettes. I love their palettes. Their shades are they're pretty universal, so that's why I really like their palettes. Okay, this is what it looks like, very pretty. Their packaging is always so pretty. Wow, this is a eyeshadow palette. Very pretty colors. I don't really wear eyeshadows. The palettes that I have that I really like are blush, contour, and highlighting palettes. I'm not an eyeshadow type of person. I usually wear one, maybe 2 shades at the most if I'm feeling fancy. But yeah, these are actually some really pretty shades. So that's that. Retail value of this is gonna be $49. Okay, and the last thing I have is by Lily Lashes. They actually sent some Lily Lashes in one of the Boxy Charmers. They were a little bit too, actually they were pretty natural, so I have to try them. They weren't that big. And it's just black mascara, so let's see what that does. The retail value of this mascara is $24. So, but yeah, I think the most expensive thing was a teeth whitening set for $80. So I'm gonna use that and see how it works, because over the years, I had such pretty white teeth until I started drinking coffee. After I had my daughter, I don't know, I just started drinking coffee like every day, and now I just have to have coffee. And if I hadn't known any better, I would have drank it through a straw. But yeah, so we'll see if that teeth whitening kit works. Okay, so I also wanted to tell you guys about the pop-up shop. Every month they also have what's called Boxy pop-up on a certain day. So for, I don't know, usually they keep it open for about a week. You can get 80% off of certain items. I ended up getting the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I'm pretty sure that I paid, it was between $4 and $6 for this. I got the shade Angelo. And I believe their lip colors run about in the $20 range. I also got the Ciate Radiant Hydrating Foundation. I got 2 boxes because they were only, I think, $6 or something like that. I'm pretty sure these are around $34. I'll put it up on the screen. But I got the shade 118 Ochre and 130 Y Maple. So I'll do a review on these. Also got the Cover FX foundation for $12, and I think these run about $40. But I got it for $12, and I got the shade G70 because I already had the shade G60, which is my shade in the winter. But right now, in the summertime, I'm a lot darker, so I wanted to get a darker shade. So that's what that is. I will also do a review on those. I have so many foundations that I'm gonna do reviews on for you guys. So the next thing I bought was the Too Faced Diamond Light. It's a highlighter. It's called a Fire Highlighter. Their packaging is so beautiful. Look at that. Took it out of the box, and then you open it up, and this is the highlighter. Isn't that just gorgeous? It's so pretty. But yeah, there's and I have tried this, and this is actually really pretty. I'll use it in a video. So those are, I believe, all of the things that I got in the Boxy pop-up. So that is the end of my review for the BoxyCharm for the month of June. If you want to join BoxyCharm, I put a link below. I'm not affiliated with them in any sort of way, so I don't get any payment for them for doing this video. I don't get paid for doing any videos, so all of my opinions are strictly my opinions. They're unbiased, completely unbiased. But yeah, if you want to join BoxyCharm, I put a link below. All that does, if you click on my link and use my link, I think it gives me points or something like that. But other than that, yeah, just click on that link and subscribe. Just try it out for a month. The good thing is, if you get a box and you don't like it, you can always cancel it. And or if you just can't afford it a certain month and you're like, I just can't pay that $25, you can always cancel it and then start it back up whenever you can. There's no penalties or anything like that, so which is pretty good. I will tell you, the subscription is worth it, especially if you're just now starting to get your makeup collection together and try different things. $25 a month, and you get so many products at such high value. They don't send you any very seldomly would you get a drugstore product or a very cheap product. Usually they're very high quality. So I really like the subscription. I'm not paying a monthly fee for anything I can get for free, free samples. I'm not doing that. So that's why a lot of the subscriptions I don't subscribe to, but I really like BoxyCharm. Some months I'm like, and then right when I'm thinking I'm gonna cancel, they send a really good box like this. Last month's box wasn't too bad. I'll link it in the I don't know, I'll link it somewhere so you can see May's box. So this is the June box. So looking forward to the July box. But yeah, that's it. I just want to say thank you for watching. hit me up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and see you later until next time. Also wanted to tell you guys to look out for my next video. I will be doing a series on Black-owned makeup brands or cosmetic brands, and I will also be doing a tutorial on with brands using only Black-owned products. So be looking for that video. I really appreciate your support, and until next time.